The time factor plays an important role in many test laboratories. That's why we are always looking for new ideas to make your test effort easier and faster. With all new DuraScan fully automatic machines, the test head can now move to predefined height positions. Set different specimen holders with the exact height and save valuable time in your testing process. By clicking on the new button in the control elements, the test head is removed from your work area and the specimen holder or individual specimens can be easily exchanged. This function will make your work on your hardness tester much easier.